Welcome back to my video. This is a new Gorilla Tech update. It says Happy Easter. Looks like we're in rainy season. There'll be some new weather happening from now on. There's a new queue available if anyone wants to play mini games. I've checked it. I've kind of checked this out update already. I checked it out by accident because I let my brother play my Oculus, and he didn't tell me there was a new update. There are a few new cosmetics available in the store as well. There should be help to keep the rain off. Look at that. Oh. There's a lamppost. You can scale the lamppost. Think of all the jukes, like ooh, 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 boom, boom, oh, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Ah, so many jukes. Ah, my hand. So yeah, see all the rain. It's cloudy. Yeah, friends keeps inviting me. Let's go check out the cosmetics. So yeah, there's these new umbrellas that are sick. And they have a cool feature, as well as a new free thing. Let's see how they compare to. Now I may get the thing. I may spend some money, maybe. Get down, and now you see they're closed, but you press. Hold on. Yeah. Press this. Oh, watch out. Press this trigger button, and look what happens. Ba-doop, ba-doop. Can't see me now. See, you see me? What? You could have a lightsaber. You could have a duel with your friends. You could be Mary Poppins. Bonk. Hold on. What the world? Hold on, let me take this one off. I'm gonna. If I get one, it's gonna be the black one. Ooh. It's me, guys. Mary Poppins here. I've come back to pop. Boom! What am I even doing? I saw one guy. He did like this, I think, or maybe like he did it on the keyboard. He was like, new way to troll in Gorilla Tech lobbies. But there's also this golden one. I don't think the golden ones are too cool. Ah. Yeah. I'm gonna get the black one because it matches my outfit. And I'm gonna have to see, look, I'm pressing it. It's a cool feature. You could just be running, like, boom. Oop. Oop. But if I do get the black one, it's gonna be in a combo, you know what I'm saying? A combo. But these hands switch, so I'm gonna have the umbrella. If I see a lava, I'm gonna go. Why is it like? What have I done? Okie dokie. So I didn't buy this. Oh, there's an eggshell, which I can't show y'all because my beanie won't let me. It's a face item. So, bam. See, you can't even see it. So, you know what? We're gonna put on. If I can. Oh, there we go. If I can do that. Let me take this off. See, look. You can't see it. Dang it. But you can see it. You can see it. There. Let me go change back. What the world? So yes, I'm using my left controller. You know, it's kind of broken. Ooh, oh, yeah, my left controller, it loses connection. That's why I'm one-handed. Yeah, look at these. There's even little mini ones. Where did it? Oh. Hi. I'm gonna do my route with the glass. Bro, I'm done messed up. It's kind of hard, actually, with the lava monkey, rock monkey, and I'm kind of getting used to. To two hands, cause more one-handed monkey can wall climb stuff like that. But so I gotta check out. Look at all this rain. I think this is cool. This is a neat little Gorilla Tag update. Yeah, that's pretty much. Wait, I gotta go check out the other maps. Totally forgot about that. I wonder if it's. Is it follow? Wait, is that? What? Are they? What? I haven't seen this. I haven't checked this out in the update. Oh, there's those light up rocks. I know what they are. You see them at stores and places. They like light up like nighttime, nightlight rocks. That is so cool. I gotta go check caves. Oh, wait, no, I've checked caves. There's nothing in there. Oh, what about the mountains? What are they gonna have? Little sleds with ice glowing. Ooh, I can't wait to find out. Ooh. I know those lights have always been there. Yeah, look at them. I'm so excited. I haven't even checked the mountains. Oh, it's snowing! Oh, they got this. This is so cool. Where do they even have the night lights? I see one, I think, over there. Did not mean to do that. I wonder if I can still wall surf. I wonder if they removed wall surf. I'm gonna still go down the slide. That'll be in the That'll be the end of the video. I'm gonna go far. Why? Whee! You just sit up here. Whoa, there's even lampposts. You can go boom, bam. You could go. Oh, try not to fall. No. So you could just be like, oh, I seriously messed that up. Okay, and go back up. Oh, you can just do that. Be like, oh no, lava monkey, land here, then hold on. Redo. You land here. You go here. You go here. You go. I'm just kidding. Oh, you just go. Wait, I have rock monkey. That's why. Normal game. It's probably what I do. But I think. Wait, they have it even over there. Ah, I'm stuck on. I hate these little branches. Gotta check. I gotta go down here. Can't believe it's snowing. Oh, I messed it up. Can I do it there? Yeah, I can. Oh, my hand messed me up. Hold on, I gotta. You gotta do it from right here. Then you gotta go here. Ooh, ooh. You know what? I'm just gonna go here and look at it. Ooh. Bro, I suck. Bro, why can't I do this? I used to be able to do it before. Yeah, I'm doing it one-handed. So look at that. Set on the other side. Boom. Boom. Whoa. What? Oh. 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 Wait. Ooh. Momentum. Whoosh. What was I even trying there? But this is just an update of me having fun with the new rain. Because when the rain update happened, I was like, where's the rain update at? I was asking so many monkeys. I was like, where's the rain update at? And as I was about to give up, a monkey joined the lobby and said, I restarted my game, and then there was this, and then like a rain. I was like, So I restarted my game, and then there was the rain, but that's all I've checked out. I haven't checked out the canyons or anything else. You can stop on the ice. Ow. I hit something. I wonder if you goes. Hold up, I got it. Gotta test something out. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Okay. Well, that's just gonna be the update. Or the video, not the update. Well, bye.